In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to force dark mode on websites in the Brave browser using the Hidden Flags menu. If you love dark mode but some sites still blast your eyes with bright white pages, Brave has an experimental switch that can help. We'll turn on Auto Dark Mode for web contents, which tells Brave to restyle light websites to a darker palette. Because this lives in the flags area, it's considered experimental and may not be perfect on every site, but it's easy to try and just as easy to change back. Start with Brave open and click into the address bar. Type Brave/flags and press enter. This opens Brave's internal features page. Don't worry if it looks technical, that's normal. At the top, you'll see a search box. Click it and type Auto Dark Mode for web contents. You can also just type dark mode to find it quickly. When the flag appears, look to the right for a drop-down that likely says default. Click that drop-down to see your options. You'll want to choose an enabled option. Two good choices are enabled with simple CIE lab-based inversion and enabled with selective inversion of non-image elements. Both aim to darken pages, but they work slightly differently. The simple CIE lab-based option tends to produce consistent darkening by mathematically inverting colors, which can be reliable across many sites. The selective inversion option tries to avoid inverting things like photos and icons, keeping images looking normal while darkening text and backgrounds. If you're not sure where to start, selective inversion often looks more natural on content-heavy pages, while the CIE lab-based option can be a solid fallback if a site looks odd. After you pick your preferred enabled option, a relaunch button will appear at the bottom of the window. Click Relaunch. Brave will close and reopen, keeping your tabs intact. Once it's back, visit a site that used to be bright and see how it looks. If the colors look off on certain pages, just return to Brave/flags, search for the same flag, and try a different enabled variant until you're happy with the result. Because this feature is experimental, some sites might have inverted icons, unusual color accents, or odd shadows. That's normal and varies by site design. If you ever prefer the original look, switch the drop-down back to default or disabled the same way. That's it. Auto Dark Mode is now active. Enjoy easier nighttime browsing, less eye strain, and a more consistent dark experience across the web in Brave.